In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JavaScript in Elementor. If you've ever wanted to enhance your WordPress site with dynamic, interactive elements, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to incorporate JavaScript functionalities within your Elementor project. So, let's dive right in and explore these steps together. First things first, it's essential that you have a basic understanding of JavaScript and Elementor. If you're not already familiar, spend a little time getting to know the basics before we proceed, as it'll make the following steps much easier to follow. Now, assuming we're all set with those prerequisites, let's prepare our environment. Open your WordPress dashboard and go to the page where you want to use Elementor. Once there, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor, where you'll be doing most of the work today. It's a powerful tool for designing visually appealing layouts, and adding JavaScript can help make your web pages even more interactive. Next, you'll need to locate the HTML widget. In the Elementor editor, look at the panel on the left-hand side and find the search bar. Type in HTML to find the HTML widget quickly. Once you see it, drag and drop this widget to the section of your page where you want to add your JavaScript. This widget allows you to add custom code directly to your page, including JavaScript, which is exactly what we are going to do next. Adding JavaScript directly in the HTML widget will enable you to tailor the functionality and behavior of the elements on your web page effectively. Now, it's time to input the JavaScript code. In the HTML widget that you added to your page, click inside the editing area to begin typing. Here you can input your JavaScript code. If you already have a snippet in mind, paste it directly here. Just ensure your code uses the correct tags. Typically, your JavaScript code will be wrapped between opening and closing script tags like this. Script your JavaScript code here script. Once your code is in place, it's crucial to test its functionality. Don't forget to click on the Update button to save changes, and once it has saved, head over to the live preview of your site. Check to see if the JavaScript is working as you expected. You can try triggering any interactive elements or inspect error messages using the browser's console if something isn't working right. It's a useful troubleshooting tool that can help you spot and fix errors or bugs quickly. Finally, don't forget to optimize your script. If the JavaScript affects the performance of your page, consider asynchronously loading it or deferring its execution to improve load times. This keeps your site running smoothly while still providing all the interactive features JavaScript offers. And that's it for today. By following these steps, you have learned how to effectively integrate JavaScript into Elementor, enhancing the functionality of your site. Keep experimenting with various scripts to see how they can expand your web page's capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.